Hello everyone, today up for unboxing and a quick overview is this soldering aid repair tool I got this up from China for about $2-3 shipped, and it takes a week or two to ship, but it's a great price if you do soldering. So this is basically a tool set for repair work, soldering and stuff on your board. So you got a few. This is double-sided. You got a knife, you got a brush, you got a scraper, you got a reamer, you got a puller, pusher. So whatever you want, it's in here. I'm just gonna, if you wondered how they look before you order, I just want to give you that idea. So what we have here is, we have this a knife type set on one end. So we have a knife and a scraper here, and here we have a needle, a needle of some sort. You can say a needle or a remover. We got a hook here, and we got another a 45-degree hook. We have a brush. These are metal brushes on either side. I guess this is a remover because we got a pry-like end here, and we have this this side here is like some kind of puller. We got this groove in the middle. We got this needle type reamer here, so if you wanna make that hole, remove the solder, I guess this is good. So that's what you have, double-sided ends, tools to help you in soldering and resoldering and repair work. So and very cheap price from China. Yeah, $3 shipped, can't go wrong. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please rate and subscribe. Any questions, leave in the description and I'll get back to you. In the comment section, I'll get back to you. Thank you very much.